Good morning, guys. Saturday morning. It is almost 8 o'clock. The boys are up and on the couch. It's a little chilly in here, so they got some blankets. Pick up. No. Get your cereal. Dropping cereal. Yeah, so we are just hanging out this morning. I'm about to cook breakfast. And yeah, Rue's coming over today. Chucky's dropping off Rue, their dog. They're getting married today. So we volunteered to keep Rue while they're at their honeymoon. So that should be fun. I don't know what time he's coming, but I don't know what time, buddy. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna straighten up some more. The living room isn't too bad. Need to fold up those clothes. And the kitchen is pretty much clean. Yeah. So yeah, let me get some stuff done around the house. The wedding is at like 4. I do have a couple errands I need to run today. And Ray wants to go find another tie. So yeah, that's it. That's all we're doing today. My father-in-law is watching the boys today. So we'll be dropping them off around 3 probably. All right, they're putting their money inside their piggy banks. They got these when from our bridal shower. Ray's brother gave them this as part of their gift, bridal shower gift. I'll insert a picture here so y'all can see the day we got them. Put your money inside. I go through this little change jar every so often and divide it into 2 and have them put their money inside. Yeah, what they brought home from school Thursday. They made jack-o'-lanterns. This is Trey. You see his name, T-R-E. The Y is all the way over here. But this is jack-o'-lantern. I guess that's the mouth, nose, and eyes. Oh, cool. Good job. And here's Taj's. Taj, T-A-H-J. This is jack-o'-lantern. His feet and everything. And he wrote jack-o'-lantern. Finished one basket, and I got a whole nother one to go. And another load in the dryer right now. My boy's about to get a haircut. What you watching?
Maggot Scuba. Yours watching what? Maggot Scuba Smiggle is a wicked girl.
Yeah, I did.
You see, Rodney's a really awesome rat. Look at her all adorable and cute and friendly. Look at her all adorable and cute. Look at her all adorable and cute and friendly. Look at her all adorable, cute, and friendly. See, Rodney's a really
Are you doing his the same?
No.
Or different? Okay.
Mr. Rule will see you now, Carlos.
great. Let's go.
I like your hair, Trey. We said Chucky would be here soon with Rue. I was about to get ready to run to Target real quick and to the library to drop off these books, but I'm gonna wait till he gets here with Rue and then leave. Yeah, lady ready? You ready, lady? You ready for your friend? Your friend coming over, girl. Back up, girl. See you later.
Y'all have a good one.
All right, see y'all later.
Come on, Rue. Hey,
Best friends.
are we happy? Yeah.
Having her pee before I go to the store real quick. You need to potty? Come on. Rue. Rue. Come on. Alright, just left the library and I dropped off these books and picked up another one. This is actually my third book this year. No, fourth book this year of this lady, Kimberly Lawson Roby. Really good author. This is my fourth book, so I'm gonna try to finish it by the end of the year. I'm headed to Target to take this sleeping bag back and then head back home. All right, we're about to head over to the wedding. Well, had to drop off the boys first at their grandpa's house. Hey, cut it out. Give it to me. Here, give it to me. Give it to me.
Eat it.
Come on, let's go.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye bye.
Let's go.
You forgot the keys.
Thought I left the car running. Well, Tuesday.
Toss it, okay. Who's got it? Who's got it? Here she is. Get a picture of Myra. Get a picture of Myra.
Alright, we just got back from checking Myra's wedding. Y'all, that was like a beautiful wedding.
Great.
It really was. Like, I'm not even just saying that. But it was such a beautiful wedding. And Chucky cried when they opened up the doors for Myra to come out. He cried. Oh my God, that was special. Stop. You did too, didn't you? You cried at our wedding. That's okay. It's all right.
It's all right. Ain't nothing wrong. I don't see nothing wrong.
But it was so nice, y'all. But we just got home. Ray about to take the dogs for a short walk. It's a little chilly outside, but he's gonna take them out for a short walk. Get them both tired again. We separated them while we were gone, just in case like they started getting on each other's nerves and had a fight or something. We didn't want them fighting, so we separated them while we were gone. Rue was in the man cave with her pee potty and everything, which she didn't use. That's good. Pee potty with her pee pad, which she did not use. So I think that's a good thing. And then Lady was out here. Yeah, so they did well. All her food was gone when we got back. Yeah, so we're about to take them out real quick together. Where'd she go? Rue. Chucky and Myra got married. Aren't you excited?
Yay!
They're married. Rue. I think she need to use the potty.
All right. Let's go.
Bye, y'all. Behave yourselves. I took them out together earlier today, and it was different taking two dogs out, but they did well. I think they just did their business and came back because it was a little chilly out. So, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Guys, I'm gonna put a link to Chucky and Myra's channel down below. Please go and check out their channel and at least tell them congratulations for their wedding. They're going on their honeymoon, I think, starting tomorrow. So go to the channel, show them some love, subscribe, tell them congratulations, and I'm sure they'll be starting back vlogging maybe in the next week or two. I don't know. But yeah, show them some love. Tell them the Harris Forest sent you. And yes, I'm talking to YouTube. I don't think y'all haven't been in the video much. Did you guys have fun at Grandpa's house?
Yeah.
Yeah, they had dinner kind of early at like 5 o'clock. So they're eating a snack and they're gonna brush their teeth and go to bed. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell everybody good night.
Good night.
See you later. And tell Chucky and Mara, congratulations on your wedding.
Have a great time. Enjoy your wedding.